आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is, if fx equals to mod log x base e, then f dash 1 plus equals to 1, f dash 1 minus equals to minus 1, f dash 1 equals to 1, f dash 1 equals to minus 1. Now we have given fx equals to mod log x base e. Now if we calculate f dash 1 plus, which is equals to limit x tends to 1 plus fx minus f of 1 upon x minus 1. Now we can write it as limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 upon 1 plus h minus 1. Here 1 and 1 will be cancelled out, so we get limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 upon h. Now here limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h will be mod log 1 plus h base e minus f of 1, and we know that the value of log 1 is 0 upon h. Now 1 plus h will be the positive quantity, and if we see the graph of log x, then at x equals to 1 function is 0 and the graph of log x is this. Now here it is mod log x, so the function is of this type. At x equals to 1 the value is 0, so it is this, and this value will be positive, so here it is this. Now we can see that the value is always positive, so here we have limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus h base e upon h. Now this is 0 by 0 form, so we will apply L'Hopital rule and we will differentiate both numerator and denominator with respect to h. So we get limit h tends to 0. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, so here it is 1 upon 1 plus h, and differentiation of h is 1. So this equals to limit h tends to 0, 1 upon 1 plus h, which is equals to 1. So here we get right hand derivative, that is f dash 1 plus is equals to 1. Now if we calculate f dash 1 minus, which is equals to limit x tends to 1 minus fx minus f of 1 upon x minus 1, which is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h minus f of 1 upon 1 minus h minus 1. 1 and 1 will be cancelled out, so we get limit h tends to 0 mod log 1 minus h base e minus 0 upon minus h, and which is equals to limit h tends to 0 log 1 minus h base e upon minus h, and here it is 0 by 0 form, so we will apply L'Hopital rule and we will differentiate both numerator and denominator with respect to h. So we get limit h tends to 0. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so it is here 1 upon 1 minus h upon differentiation of h is 1, so it is minus 1, and it is equals to limit h tends to 0 minus 1 upon 1 minus h, which is equals to minus 1. So here we get left hand derivative, that is f dash 1 minus is equals to minus 1. So here option A and option B is correct. and we are done.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।